Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications on your Motorola phone. So there is two ways of it: the general turning off the notification, and if you want to turn off all of the notification on your phone, just slide down the top menu, slide down again, and look for the do not disturb mode. Just switch it on, and now you shouldn't get any notification. But if you want to turn off the notification from specific app, just go to the settings, choose apps, and tap on the CL apps. Now look for the app that you want to turn off the notifications, like Facebook app. Go to the notification and keep it, and switch it off like this position, and keep it off. Just go back to the system, and the Facebook or any other app cannot send you a notification anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.